Yes, so what go on, my people? Respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, big up and large up on yourself to the max. But from on the see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. So please consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But to know how we do the thing over here already, Flava family, we're gonna just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go away. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Boys say them want war and me can't see them in the street then. A Kingston me live. And me there every day. No boy no scared genocide. When the real genocide fans them they can't defend themselves. Big up yourself, me princess. Bouncy don't make me follow me now. Hold on. Me say ya who can step up, come we come bust the cylinder. Matic in a long corner. Balance it. Me say the boy them start it and them a run and them a call. Boom, Roberto Carlos hardball.
Yes, so now people, first thing, I want big up Massacre and his Sumfest performance. Almost an hour of it's the entertainer give him people them and give him fans them will show up for him. And when me say Massacre put on a performance, me don't want to no feel like a joke thing people. More and more me see the artist a master him craft and a master the stage. Him interaction with him audience is excellent and how him intro him song them no normal. I swear me people, him always a find a topic and uno don't know say Massacre have a whole heap of track, a whole heap of it's Massacre have overall. So me don't want to no feel like it's a easy thing for the artist find some bad intro for the song them while performing. Yeah, in brain after a click same speed. Anyways, that segment of the performance Massacre basically a intro in bad song them a got dead, which is a track we released years ago. And as uno can see, yeah, basically the song still at a road. Now pay attention to the song where Massacre choose with the intro there. It obvious he must send a message to him enemies them out there. Uno already know who want clash Massacre out there more than anything. We have the Ratty Gang who is Skeng and the Vendetta Boss who is Alkaline. But the message seems like it mostly go for Alkaline, you see me I say? Cause remember say the artists mostly they are foreign, you see me? So basically people, me don't want to no feel like say Massacre no know war go on even though him a try to avoid the war. But anyways, uno hear it from the DJ himself. The Vendetta Boss no scare him and the Ratty Gang General no scare him as well. So people, me want to no tell me what uno think about all of this down into the comment section about the message when Massacre send. You see me I say, yeah, just make me know what go on in our brain about all of this. You see me I say.
I don't know, so I respect VYBZ Kartel. I'm saying I'm here. Big up VYBZ Kartel, my J. When me there I rise in prison. What do you mean there I rise in prison? Saying, big up everyone that I rise in prison. You see, oh no, I rise in prison. You order them, I have to respect you, because guess what? Uno feel some people can change and I give them a chance to prove themselves. What I learn in a life, you see, anyone who don't feel comfortable, or anybody who don't feel comfortable, then dangerous. And anyone who don't feel comfortable, they're in a dangerous place. So always check on yourself, don't show no dirty colors. Because when you're comfortable, you be yourself and your real self. Come out. So you see them people and see them humble, don't take advantage. Because you show them humble, you don't know when they don't care, you go do anything with you because you feel like everything good. So always check yourself, love yourself first, so you can love people. You see me? As me I say, see, I rise in one of them, I respect you 1,000 times. Because on a day, enough time I see water in prison, sit down, I raise like a normal. Water in prison, I tell you, are the wickedest man you ever see. You never see them on the road. They take off their clothes and walk over the road. They are them wicked. But guess what now? I rise water them, I respect you. What do you mean cartel? Because we have a thing called recreation, where we go down go play football more, like only time sun touch me. You see me? You don't know why I lock down at them places. What do you mean cartel a reason? Him over yourself, me over yourself. Fence, you know? And dog, I say family, youth. We are reason about youth. The man say family. I'm a youth, a baby. Man, I say, when the youth a baby, Zane. When my youth a baby, when they are prison. I know they have baby. And I say, God no dog. You see me? It's rough in there, bro. I can't tell you, you see prison, If you can't do anything for stay far from it, I'm a lover of crime, I turn down. Stay far from prison.
Yes, so now people, as you know, I know that is dancehall artist Tammy when he was performing at Sumfest. And basically, he must share the conversation with him and VYBZ Kartel did have when him in a prison. So I want to drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section. What do you think about everything with Tammy I say right? So about the Gaza boss, you see me I say? But coming up in other news now, people. Well, basically, Foota Hype is just speaking his mind as it relates to Sumfest 30th anniversary. As I say, and him also a big up Scatterbarrel and Joe Bogdanovich for a wonderful appearance of the show. He must say the show setup was so amazing where them win him over feet because at the end of the day, there wasn't a bagger man on the stage and the security was so up. And he must just give them props on the appearance of the show and I say, yo, him love it. You see me I say, but then and there, him also beat them for the casting of the show because him say it was a horrible casting of the show because at the end of the day him can see say yeah them cut all of the international acts which saved Sumfest a bag of money. You see me I say and save them a good thing on the budget. You see me I say and at the end of the day him say if them cut the international artists them like the Mariah Carey and the Chris Brown and them people there. You see me him basically I say why them never put no international dancehall artists on the show like how them save a big budget right there. And when we say international artists, we mean like the Shaggy and the Sean Paul and the Popcorn them. Because basically, he must say at the end of the day, if them cut the budget with the international artists, them like the Mariah Carey and so forth, them could have more than afford a Popcorn and all of them people there. You see me I say? And at the end of the day, he must say for have the young artists them on the show, it is amazing, but Sumfest can pay for any artist. So at the end of the day, them could have also hired the international dancehall artists them with the local artists them. You see me I say, he must say there was no Super Cat, no Berries Aman on the show and that kind of spoiled the image of the show and the culture. You see me I say, because we all know that Sumfest is one of the biggest stage show we keep in a Jamaica. You see me I say, and basically we Foota Hype really I say right as a be a facts the man spit people and want to really take it in to get a full understanding of what Foota Hype really I say, because if you just take in piece of the video you not go get the whole knowledge of what him really a try to show no people. You see me? And it's a very interesting reasoning where we would really want to listen out and really, you know, get the whole overstanding of everything we must say, because basically a facts him attack. You see me? Because at the end of the day when you really look into it, this is the only Sumfest show where you don't really see like a Popcorn, you know, see like a Super Cat, you know, see like a Berries Aman and them people there. And at the end of the day, he must say at them thing they really build Sumfest. Yeah, for real, basically. And there was no Beanie Man, there was no Bounty Killer, there was no Sean Paul. So at the end of the day, he must say what really are going on, something really right with the show, you see me I say, because really and truly, he must say Joe Bogdanovich can hire any artist in the world because Joe Bogdanovich thing no lily. You see me I say? But here what people, you see, instead of me there telling you everything we Foota Hype I say, as when I said before, I really want to check out the reasoning. Yeah, and really and truly want to share your thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about everything we Foota Hype I say right I say. You see me I say? So with no further ado, me just make you check out the video for yourself and you can draw your own conclusion and everything we must say. So here what, just check it out.
So let's go. The first review I want to do is appearance. How the show look, how the venue look, how the stage look, how the lighting look. Excellent. DSR, dancehall entertainment. The stage, the lighting, the clock with the artist time are run down. And in no same time I got done. Amazing. The backdrop light them when I see on the TV when the artists them a perform and the thing them where pop up it. Amazing. The band changes were not horrible. We never have no 1 million banner change. That was amazing. Me love that. I love how the venue was set up. Reggae Sumfest win me with the setup. You understand me? Reggae Sumfest win me with the stage operations. No bagger man not up on the stage. No bagger security now fear clear in the stage. None of that never there fear go and be. Me love that. See? So in terms of setup, in terms of appearance, in terms of how the show flow, me love it. Me love it. So big up to Sumfest for the setup. The live stream never all over the place. The live stream never scatter. We never like last year, we have 50 different people a live stream. How one live stream I watch. Me don't have one glitch. Me don't have one chip out. Me don't have one miss up the live stream. Sweet and nice and yo. Me have to big them up for that. Don't son. Uno find the formula for live stream. Uno find it. At the first live stream I watch with the no glitch, because I can't even say less glitch. Me no see no glitch. Me no see no blurriness, no nothing. The live stream sweet like a sugar. Me love it. Zine, I am being honest. That me not a problem with how the venue look. I mean not a problem with the streaming. And while me I watch a show, me see some police in a uniform, in a regular crowd, them in a regular, me rate that. Zine? Them say I Flo did have the live stream, big up Flo. Zine? So, more wanna understand, I am not here to tear down nobody. I am here to give an honest review. So Sumfest, me love the setup and me love the live stream. Me love the security. Me love say the stage never pack. Jade and Pretty Boy Fly never have to tell nobody come off of the stage, please clear the stage, please. None of that. Me love it. Me absolutely love it. What I don't like, what I do not like, and what me have to beat DSR for now. Sumfest team, the organizers I get beaten from me now for the casting. Whosoever was responsible for the casting did a horrible job. I can repeat myself. Egan Sylvia by Badge big up. Can I repeat what I said? Because I don't want nobody say, me never say what me say and go chop up and put up on YouTube at this morning and watch and hear what me I say live. So I don't know when people are posting and I tell lie. Whoever job it was by Downsound for the casting did a horrible job. Zine, the show lineup of artists was horrible. Alright. First thing I got shown why I say it horrible. When Joe Bogdanovich took over Sumfest, his main thing was he's eliminating international artists. Meaning overseas acts like American then are British artists. He might use Jamaican artists. Now, I want you to pay attention to everything we make us say now. Joe Bogdanovich is not feeling for money. And I say this with no apology. Joe not feel for money. Joe rotten rich. Now, sometimes things look one way when it's the next way. It looks like Joe is going all out to save Reggae Sumfest. Biggest part where me see I go now, me think Joe a choppy line. It look like Joe a choppy line. It look like Joe a hustle Reggae Sumfest. More on listen to me good enough. Because this is not just pointing finger. I give props for Joe and I beat when beaten forget. Eliminating international artists save Sumfest millions of dollars. Make we look upon the caliber artists them where Sumfest used to book when they made a book international acts. You have Chris Brown, you have Rihanna, you have Destiny's Child, you have Mariah Carey, you have Fantasia, you have all of them people. Let's go to the highest person. Mariah Carey. Say if we bring a Mariah Carey, it's from anywhere from 500,000 to $1 million US. We just speak the window, we don't know what it costs. But we are assess. See? Mariah Carey not charge cheap. See? So say Mariah Carey charge anywhere from 500,000 to $1 million US. 500,000 US are like probably $7 million Jamaican, right? 500,000 US about what? 70 million. About 70 million, right? About 70 million. I thought about 7. About 70 million, right? Jamaican, right? So that money they now come out of Joe pocket again for book an international artist. 45 million. What? No man, I'm more than 45 million, brother. If a 500,000 US, it gone about 70 million Jamaican. Zine or more. I don't know the exact amount. See the 75 million somebody said. So Joe would have saved himself 175 million right there so. For book one Mariah Carey, or one Chris Brown, or one Beyonce now. So the budget we are see, I remember it can go up to $1 million. So $1 million US would be 100 and probably about 115 million Jamaican or something like that, right? So Joe save a bag of money right there, so. No private jet now book. The entourage to them people like be 20-25 people. So you'd have to have about 4 or 5 Yukon or Delaney van, or one coaster bus, or 2 or 3 coaster bus, plus how much hotel room. So, right there, so, when Joe said no more international act, him choppy line right there, so, he must save himself one roughly 150 million or 200 million. Now, eliminating a Chris Brown or a Beyonce or a Jay-Z or a Busta Rhymes, or you eliminate that and create more revenue for the local act. True? Wrong or right? May I make sense or may I make sense or may not make sense? So all of the artists them we are work with are Jamaican. So watch this now. 150 million we that pay for one artist. Can end up pay for the whole artist them we are use in Jamaica. So the line chop right there so. Body big up yourself. So that 150 million the way that spent for one artist now end up can pay for the whole entire local Rasta artist where you are going to use. May I make sense? May I make sense? Want to tell me if may I make sense? You know? So, why is it when we look upon a Sumfest now, there's no budget of an international artist? There's no international selector. There's no DJ Khaled, no Green Lantern, nobody. There's no Rory. There's no Stone Love. There's no Mighty Crown. None of the selector them charge big money in the pallet either. So we have some youth who charge normal money, normal price. So with a budget cut estimating from 100 to 150 million, why the casting look like this? And the ticket prices are the same. We're trying to make it make sense, you know. Because we review everything, you know. The ticket prices are still the same. But the Oh, Mighty Crown was there. Okay, Mighty Crown was there. Yes. That's true. That's true. Big up my fans, I remember. Yeah, Mighty Crown was there. So extra Mighty Crown. Mighty Crown Baba charge one probably 10 or 20 grand US. Me just an estimate at the highest. See? What I'm saying is the big budget cut out. So now we are based the show up on a local level. We are sell Jamaica and we are use all Jamaica. See? Me no know. No Jamaican artist we are charged 500,000 US. Me no know no Jamaica artist we are charged Sumfest $1 million US. I don't know of any. If you know of any, you can tell me. So that means there's been a budget cut from here to here. So where quality artists is concerned, see? Where quality artist was concerned, the casting must be better. Because the money is there to do the casting. Am I wrong or right? Me just want, this is my view, you know. But I am saying, if you are not going to use international artists, then how we don't have any international Jamaican acts on the show? The casting of the show was very evil to the brand. Make we speak now, right? Make we speak. There was no Bounty. There was no Beanie. There was no Caperton. There was no Sizzla Kalonji. There was no Anthony B. There was no Movado. There was no Popcorn. There was no Alkaline. There was no Assassin. There was no Busy Signal. There was no Josie Whale, no Charlie Chaplin, no Supercat, no Shabba, no Maxi Priest, no Freddie McGregor, no Ken Booth, no Barry Salmon, no Buju, no Wayne Wonder, no Baby Sham, no Vegas, no Elephant Man. Do you realize that there was 3 tier a dancehall were missing? Only realize? Because remember, you have tiers like a football team. You have the goalkeeper, you have the defense, you have the forward, you have the wingman them. So why was the show empty? Oh, Freddie did it tonight? Well, Freddie did it tonight. There was no Sean Paul, no Charlie Blacks. Me don't know who they on the flyer now. I don't see flyer now. No Sean Paul, no Charlie Black, no Conscience, no, I don't know. Something alright. No Junior Gang, no Steve O'Malley. Me don't understand. And the budget there. Because the budget bigger now. Because you not book Beyonce, you not book Chris Brown them. You not book Usher them. So why last night so Fubble Double, me don't understand. No doing and no govern. The era. Why wasn't Popcorn booked for Sumfest? Why? Why Popcorn? Say Popcorn a charge 300,000 or 250,000 US. You could have pay him. You could have pay him. You could have pay him. If Busy Signal even a charge 150 grand, you could have pay him 100 grand, 150, you can pay him. 200, you can pay him. If Sean Paul do the same thing, you can pay him. The money is, what you mean can't afford people? Please, don't speak anything illiterate, bro. Joe can pay for anybody. Joe can pay for Miley Cyrus. Joe can pay for anybody. Stevie Wonder. Anybody. Joe can pay for anybody. Alright, so my good friend Kid Corrupt say them tired of them, right? Okay. Saying you're tired of certain artists is one thing. But the one them where you're just fresh with cannot deliver. It's killing the brand. It's killing the brand. So I know where you tired of. Joe can pay Beyonce, any one of them, Rihanna, any one of them. Joe are one of the richest man on earth. See? So what me I say to you is, let's not reason gibberish reasoning. Make reason real reasoning now. The show is not about who Joe tired of or who Scatter tired of or Carla or Foota hype or it doesn't matter what we are tired of. Is maintaining the brand and the culture. Now, last night, to me, and what I'm used to, and what the standards are, the casting a fuckery. The casting is fuckery last night. Me no know who book for tonight. You know, say if you hear me say nobody will book tonight, or no see with me, because I no see flyers. Me just watch show and talk after me talk. See? Me no see no Christopher Martin last night. Me no see no Romy and Virgo. Me no see, like, what happened? Corrupt said them have to learn. Sumfest is not a practice match. When I watched last night, I can hear the commentator them tell us it's like Olympics. You have the national trials, you have Grand Prix, you have everything. But Olympics is not a practice day. It's not a practice day. Sumfest is mission day. You have training and you have mission day. You saw enough nobody come tell me about them a practice and a try. Oh, Romy and Virgo perform tonight. Okay. So, Corrupt, if you got chat be a fucker to the brother, just leave my life alone. Because it make no sense. Just nobody with it. Today me in a no nonsense mood. And me not speak because me and an artist a friend or because me align with the artist. Me not want you to fuck with that. So please, me I beg you, but that type no fuck with my life, brother. If you're a type fuck with because you're some man a friend and them dip on the show and just leave me alone to the brother. A big thing me attack. Serious thing me attack. Half who out there in the world or watch it, not give a fuck who we power with, or which artist we power with. We are do something, we are sell with country. We are sell with brand. So me don't want nobody, brother. You see two them in it. See? What me I say is, why was this wide gap between artists who make sense? Alright, if you're not go, yeah, me I get personal. Yeah, Corrupt, me I get personal. Straight up. Because me I deal with my country and how it look to the world. This is not just about Jew and Sumfest and my friend are on it and the person who me know on it. This is a business. We are sell a brand. It's a $3 billion what our income are coming to the country. This is not a blood clot plating, you know. This is not a joke thing. I ain't not a joke thing. When you hear me attack and I review them thing, it's a joke thing. I don't feel like a friend me I look with nobody. This is a business. Don't think say you see VYBZ Grange down there because she just want to hear music. Don't think the Jamaica Tourist Board is on board because, oh, we love music. Nobody feel like Iberia Star a sponsor Sumfest and give them free room and bag of sitting because, oh, we just love music. That's not what it is. It is a business. We accumulate over $3 billion to girl to go be every time Sumfest escape. So listen. What the problem? So the casting was horrible. The casting was horrible. Alright, if you're not going to use Bunty and Beanie and Caperton and Sizzler and Anthony B and Ayakti and them then, give us a Ken Booth, a Barrington Levy, a Maxi Priest, a Berris. We don't know the reason. We don't know if some of them not available, but none of them were there. None of them were there. None of them never did it. Give us something. But you can't just have a football team and you have forward and you have goalkeeper. So where the midfield, where the defender them there, me not understand. Sanchez, something. Give us something where makes sense. We now say the youth them not for work, you know. But you can't leave the whole midfield open. Me not understand. Me not understand. Junior Reid, we have so many people. We have so many acts. We have so many acts. Alright. Make me show you how it makes sense. Last night, them don't use Miss Kitty. Them don't use Yannick. Them use Jade. Them use Pretty Boy Flight. And them use Boom Boom. Let's be honest. Jade did a good job. Jade did a good job. Pretty Boy Fly did a good job. Boom Boom come do him thing after. There are a lot of little discrepancies, but them full feel what they made do. And Pretty Boy Fly is still a veteran. Like nobody could have full Miss Kitty shoes. Cause we know Miss Kitty got to work. Miss Kitty is a show in herself. You understand what I say? But Jade didn't do bad. For her first Sumfest, she never do bad. Bada bling them, do them thing. Some of them little thing rough around the edges and they make two little mistake, but he could have lived with. So this is what I'm saying now. For the 30th year celebration, the casting was horrible. The casting was shit. 30th, that are the 30th year anniversary presentation. This not have nothing to do with anti-gay. Because them have money could have booked. Assassin is not an artist that does anything like that. Busy Signal do not like that. Popcorn can work without do them something there. So we have say, Buju now sing Boom Bye Bye again. I am saying the casting was horrible. No, Joe has been on Sumfest for 7 years now, corrupt. But the show itself has been going for 30 years. And the show, the casting come down to this, and the performances are coming down to this. It minimizes wicked. So if you go calibrate 30 years into last night, Zine, how can you not? Dennis Brown is not here anymore. Toots is not here anymore. Bunny Wailer is not here anymore. We have to tap into who are here and inject them into that 30 years something here. How can you not have any of these? There's so much void in the casting. The casting is horrible. It can't make no sense. And it sure say Joe a choppy line. Joe a choppy line. Because the people in Columbus, Ohio, where I watch, because people from all over the world. But the line get chopped. Ken Booth is still alive. He has a slow of hits. John Holt is not here. Gregory is not here. So how the modern generation are going to see the evolution from 30 years to now? How can you be having a 30th year celebration and there's no Bounty and Beanie? The man who do the most Sumfest Beanie man is not on it. Let's go errors now. Make we go error, right? If you go error, of Bounty and Beanie, there was also Cabra. See me? Terror Fabulous. All these people. None of them not upon it either. You don't have no Super Cat. You don't have Mad Cabra. What happened? What happened? Me don't understand. Look how much other artists they were still now go damage the budget. Come here show now the budget they defeat, you know. There's no international act. So that's 150 million or 100 million extra to spend on the Jamaican act them. You understand what I'm saying? It don't add up. Una say them do them time, there's no good time when you have classics. A different time now no work. Because nobody now say them nothing book the young youth them. Book the young youth them still the budget is there. But the show void. The show of one big old void. One big old empty space and nothing. That's what the problem is that me talk about. Still book the young youth them because the budget is there. The money is there. Even if we bring international act, Joe still have the money for book who he want. He has the money. But him do a big old budget cut by cutting out international act. See? So why you don't have the big act them where Jamaican same way? That hurt the brand of the show, you know. If you ask me, removing them big giant international actors like Chris Brown and Beyonce and everybody, and don't inject it with no big Jamaican act, I suffocate the brand, you know. You are actually suffocating the brand. Because last night the show ram. You know why the show ram? The show ram because it's Sumfest. It's a brand that is repetitive for greatness. So people are going to appear at the show regardless. You understand? People are going to appear at the show regardless. So when you put on the young act them, you're actually incorporating the people them, the audience where I did 10 and 9 when the legend them did a run. But the legend people them still there. So you have to incorporate and mix it. You can't chop out all of the greats and put in be a new youth when not even somebody pity them or they don't know them.
Yes, so that is it, my people. So we have come to the end of the video. So when we want to really know, a drop on an honest thought down into the comment section and what you really think about where Foota hype really as a writer. So let me know if what I say is valid or it is invalid. As I say, yeah, just share your thoughts and let me know what really go on in our mind. If all of this is true or it is just false and foolishness. As I say, in my own opinion though, me really feel like say, yeah, Foota hype has spit facts, but at the end of the day, that is just my opinion. As I say, so just let me know where uno think, as I say, because of that me really care about. As I say, people, also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, just give this video a like. Yeah, just like up the video now, people. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here, Flava family. Peace, bless, I'm out.